Good evening, Colorado. We are under a weather alert as we're dealing with quite a few severe thunderstorm warnings out there. Most of them expiring between 5:30 and 6 p.m. So from now until about 6, we still have very active weather. And it's likely that we'll deal with these severe thunderstorms through until about 8 or 9 o'clock tonight when they finally push off into Kansas. But let's try our best not to get an information overload here. Severe thunderstorm warning off in Kiowa County. Also a line of severe thunderstorm warnings in Lincoln County. Tornado warnings in northern Crowley County, southern Lincoln County. As this storm, after looking at it a little bit closer, it does have that southerly motion to it, moving at about 10 to 15 miles an hour closer to Ordway. But I expect the steering of this overall storm to push it off to the east here shortly. It's something to look at very closely over the next 15-20 minutes. And then this line of severe thunderstorms just off to the east, I-25 in Pueblo County, far northern Los Animas County. And then if you look closely, that severe thunderstorm warning that's in northwestern Pueblo County. So a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings and even tornado warnings out there. I wanted to diagnose first the storms outside of Pueblo because that's kind of one of our population centers where most folks live. This is kind of more of in a rural spot, northern Crowley County, but we'll get there here in a second. Okay, so Pueblo residents, this severe thunderstorm producing hail sizes anywhere from golf ball to ping pong ball sized hail. We've seen estimates much larger than that, but all of the confirmed reports out of the National Weather Service and our local storm reports are at golf ball sized hail. Now this storm has weakened slightly over Pueblo. Now it's only producing about quarter sized hail, potentially $half sized hail. And the hail core right now is just off to the northeast side of Pueblo, exiting the city. It is moving east at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. So if you live in some of these more rural spots in northeastern Pueblo County, that thunderstorm is headed your way. And even towards Boone, it's uncertain if this thunderstorm will develop any further along Highway 50, but it's very possible considering all of these severe thunderstorm warnings go until 6 p.m. So give it another 45 minutes or so and we'll just keep tracking these storms on Highway 50. Quick diagnosis at the thunderstorm in northwestern Pueblo County. So this is just over Pueblo West, and I was giving it a quick once-over right before I came on, and it looks like the hail core is just positioned to the north side of a lot of those neighborhoods outside of Pueblo West. You can see the roadways right in here, but the hail is just slightly north, so hopefully it's avoiding most of the homes out there. And now on to Crowley County. That's one of the spots where we've been tracking that tornado warning, and I believe the National Weather Service has this tornado warning out for Crowley County because it did spawn up a confirmed tornado. Now it is just a radar indicated tornado, so it seems like there's no rotation on the ground, but a rotation up into the clouds. So you could be seeing a quick spin up tornado, landspout tornado, just to the north of Ordway. And again, these storms are moving off to the southeast. So if you live in Arlington or maybe even eastern Otero County, western Bent County, those are going to be some places to pay attention to that storm as it does evolve. And it does even seem like we're dealing with some hook echoes here on the radar, and that's kind of what you get when you see a quick spin up tornado. So I might even have to check the National Weather Service chat page to see if there's been a confirmed tornado on the ground. But as of going on air 3 minutes ago, it has not been on the ground, and there's a couple spotters out there. So we've been getting very up-to-date information with that thunderstorm there. Overall, the severe thunderstorm threat is much more so for the southeastern side of the state, not so much in Colorado Springs. I still think it's possible for a quick thunderstorm on I-25 in El Paso County, but all of the much more significantly severe weather is well southeast of us. All of these severe thunderstorm watches are until 10 p.m. tonight in the SPC chart, the shade of yellow again in the southeastern corner, even through Kit Carson County. The storms will exit Colorado Springs, I-25 in Pueblo by about 8 o'clock. There's nothing in Colorado Springs now, but I'd say from now until 8 p.m. is our best time to be seeing a quick thunderstorm for us. Woodland Park, your 7-day forecast, low 50s with thunderstorms likely through the first part of the week ahead. And then by our Thursday, morning sunshine with more afternoon thunderstorm chances. Canyon City into the low 60s for the start of your week, and then warming slightly by Thursday and Friday. And then maybe even clearing out next weekend. So there's some light on the horizon, finally. Pueblo, 65 tomorrow, more thunderstorms. It is possible for some strong to severe storms tomorrow and Tuesday. And then it seems like Wednesday and Thursday, they'll be weakening in severity during the afternoon hours. But we'll continue tracking all of your thunderstorms through the rest of the show and on Facebook Live. Danny?